I'll do a quick little recap of what happened today, and then we'll go one by one, each person explaining their own trade, and we'll go like that. All right, sounds good. I'm not the market maker. All right, bro. Okay, let's get into it. Well, obviously we're gonna start off on the daily, right? Not the 2 day. Now this morning, right, you can see we rejected off a daily fair value gap. That's the main area of interest for this morning. From there, scale down, obvious draws, Asia lows. We come up during New York Open into this 15-minute fair value gap. From there, I'm just waiting for some bearish structure. I instantly see this 1 minute inverse, and that's my area of interest. Structure shift, right? This is my structure point. It's not a really clean one, but I will still consider this, considering my draws are lower and everything's in line. Structure shift, retrace into inverse, standard deviations. Ooh, this is standard deviations targeting 1 to 1.5, lined up with Asia lows. Right? From here, obviously we could have draws lower, especially these New York lows. They look pretty nice. All right, but if you just scale out over to the hourly time frame, right? What does this look like? Right? Structure shift, push up higher, we retrace, put in an internal, right? And at the time we were putting in a crazy rejection wick. So this to me looked like we're gonna continue higher. Right? So this would be your area of reversal. And if you wanted to, you could have taken a entry here, right? Boom, structure shift, right? Little internal shift into a fair value gap. That could have been your main entry. But that wasn't the focus. The focus was this little move today. So we'll start off one by one. That was a quick little recap of what happened today, right, during AM session. So whoever's taking a trade, actually, we'll start off with Jamie then. We'll start off with Jamie. He could introduce his trade and then go over what he was looking at. Go from there.
Okay, guys, hi. My name is Jamie. I've been trading for about 2 years now. Let's get it. Okay, so we get on for the day. We go to the daily time frame. We're just doing our top-down analysis. Okay, awesome. We see we have this daily imbalance here. Okay, I'd like to see us either hit that as we were in pre-market and then come down. Okay, awesome. We're scaling down. We have this 1 minute imbalance here that we have marked out. Keep that in mind. We have that marked out. As we scale lower, awesome. We have these Asian and London lows going into pre-market. Pre-market, we sweep the London lows, leaving Asia untouched. Um, okay. Market open, we see price push up. We have this 5 minute imbalance here that we react out of. Okay, awesome. We push back down. Normally, I like to wait for a change in the state delivery or microstructure shift on the 5 minute, but instead today, when we had this imbalance here that we pushed through and we're inversing, I was like, all right, I'm just going to scale down and see what we have here. Sweet, we have change in states all fucking over the place. We come up, we have this 1 minute inverse here that we tap into, come down, and then we have this, um, I call it a propulsion block that we come tap into, close. We close out of that with a bearish candle, continuing this order flow and closing below this change in the state of delivery. That was where my entry was. Stop loss is, I believe I put it at the top of this 5 minute inverse, or the 5 minute for value gap that we have marked out right here. That's what this rectangle is. TP, one and only TP is these Asian lows. Pretty banger, 1 to 2 RR. Simple, sweet, easy to understand, one and done for the day.
Looks great. Yeah, super clean move. Now, anything you would have done differently, or is this like your
Anything
complete
that I would
A
have
plus
done
setup?
differently. I don't know if I would say A plus setup, because we didn't already have this market structure shift on the 5 minute.
Hmm?
So I guess you could say that I could have waited for that if I wanted to be super patient, but I was just reacting off of what was being given to me. I mean, if I would have wanted to wait for this, I wouldn't have caught this trade whatsoever.
Yeah.
Um, so I don't know about something that I would have done differently, but something that I want to take note of that I did was adapting to what the market was telling me and being able to read the story live and enter still with sufficient confluence with an A plus setup.
Perfect.
Um,
Yeah, it looks good.
I debated taking off and market execute closing my position here because we had came and swept it on ES already. And we were kind of just like edging, like you could see we had these big wicks up here, but I mean I didn't get emotional. Was like what the fuck ever. Just held my trade until it hit my TP.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
Good little recap.
All right, banger.
Okay, yeah, Wilkes.
Hi
Let's go, let's
guys.
go, come on.
Everyone says hello, Jameson.
Yeah, we gotta do like a whole circle icebreaker thing. Lucas, you gotta raise your hand. I could just invite to speak. There you go.
Hello. Hello.
Alright, Lucas, go for it. You can screen share.
All right. You see?
Yeah, I got it.
Yep. Right. So today I was short biased. We swept these lows yesterday, so I was expecting to go to this daily bearish fair value gap and sweep out Asia lows. Okay, so I marked out my Asia lows because we've already, I think we swept London highs, Asia highs, and everything. So this was my only target for today. For our bearish FVG2, hourly the same. Okay. The 15-minute I saw S&T with ES here, so this was an indication for me to be even more bearish. I had this 15-minute bearish FVG, so I scaled down a little more. I waited for my setup. Once market opened, I wanted price to go to this 15-minute bearish FVG, sweep out this internal high as we did, change in state here beautifully, inverse this 1 minute. I executed. I fucked up. I risked like fucking 4% on this trade. So I'm kind of glad I got stopped out on break even. I'm not gonna lie.
Mm-hmm.
So once I got stopped at break even, I re-entered with a normal risk because I still believed that we could sweep out those Asia lows. I think I got off around here, my full position. There was too many SMTs for me, so I wasn't trying to risk it.
Okay.
We tapped this standard deviation. I wanted to take longs, but Jamie, thank you so much. I had to learn squares, triangles, and circles. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, so anything, you would include in this trade or do differently? Same question like I asked Jamie.
Where?
Like, is this your complete A plus setup, or is there anything you could have done differently to make this trade better?
This was my complete A plus setup, but it would be better if we had SMT with these highs.
Okay.
With ES, but this was an A plus setup. Beautiful.
Yeah, perfect. Beautiful.
And ban
Beautiful,
Jamie.
beautiful. I appreciate that, Lucas. Let's see. Let me
Thank
quickly reach out here. One thing I'll do differently, ban Keegan early. Yeah, okay, I'll be down for that. Emil, all right, Emil, get up here, boy.
Yo, what's up?
Lucas, we'll do that fucking next time.
Okay.
I was gonna Emil.
Yo, what's good? What's
Turn
good?
your screen share.
I can't.
Oh my
It's
god,
sometimes.
wait, these rolls. For the time being, okay, everyone that's hopping on live here, give them lifetime roll, and then you know strip their rolls afterwards. All right, Emil, it should work now.
Wait.
Actually, instead of lifetime, give them analyst and then take it away.
He just licked us for a fucking lifetime roll and dipped.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Okay. Yeah, analyst should work. Let's see, Emil. Try now.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, it's working now.
Yeah, it's analyst now.
Alright, bet.
I'm
Alright,
gonna
bet.
get the
bet.
guy.
So basically, kind of similar to Wilkes, we got this 4-hour gap here. So that we tapped into, and then we go to the 15-minute, got this fat SMT here. and then we tapped into this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. I was looking for shorts. We got this internal manipulation of this opening candle, and then we inverse this gap, got a change in state, and then I was like targeting Asia lows
Okay.
with combined with a standard deviation like this. Easy.
Yeah.
I mean, it was basically like identical trade to Wilkes, but because we were like in the call discussing the trade,
Mm-hmm.
and it looked good. So it's my model, like changing state, internal
Yeah.
manipulation, S&P,
Super clean.
like everything. Yeah.
See, this is what happens when you
Everything
join
lined up.
Trading VC in the AM session. You catch bangers like
Yes, sir.
this. No, this is beautiful. Anything? Same exact question. Anything you would have
Yeah,
done differently?
honestly, like I didn't go profit. Like I went break even because we had news and we tapped into this order block. Like we had news in like a couple minutes. So I was like, okay, if maybe like I got manipulated out of the trade, so like I went break even of this order block,
Hmm.
and then I got like ticked out of my trade, and then like it just ran in my direction.
Okay. Okay.
So honestly, like I don't know.
You faded your bias a little there, got lost your
Uh,
confidence because of the news.
yeah,
Broke even too early.
I don't like
Okay.
trading news.
I mean, as long as you journal this, take note of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And perfect. Yeah, no, beautiful. Yeah, I see a little trend here. Everybody took a very similar trade today, which is good. I love seeing that.
Who's up? Don't make me call someone at random, like that substitute you don't like. It
Okay,
wasn't necessarily the
they're
cleanest
making
price
me
action.
go over profit and loss chat.
Okay, that's okay. I'm back
Okay,
into my room.
so AJ took a trade today, I think. Philip did as well. Ice Bear, Cornelius took a trade. Exotic took one as well. He's not here though, I don't think. No one took a loss. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. No one took a loss today so far.
Now, just in case there are people here that did take a loss that are sitting in chat, I just throwing it out there. These are actually the best kinds of days to take losses because I mean, obviously, you don't make 100K a month from trading, and being able to see what everyone else did right and understand what you did wrong, is one of the biggest areas of improvement.
Exactly,
This
not
is
necessarily wrong,
prime.
but right? I mean, especially when we're learning from trading, we make mistakes here and there. We just gotta learn from
Yep.
them, right? So you guys gotta
Yep.
be very open to sharing these losses, right? And be wanting to learn from these mistakes. I mean, if no one has trades that they want to go over, AJ's trade. Okay, I'll kind of do a little summary of AJ's trade. I could have this over here. You guys can see the chart? You guys can see the chart? Okay, but can you guys see AJ's trade? I'll just copy and paste it here. This works, yeah? Okay. Looks to be the exact same fucking trade I took. Except he was targeting this low-hanging fruit, which is perfectly fine. Super clean. So same, I guess I'm gonna assume the same exact analysis here, right? Where we come up, take out this daily. Okay, I'm gonna just delete this image for now. Right, we come up into this daily, we take this daily high, refine it a little more. Right, we come up, tap into this 4-hour gap. From there, like Wilco said, we put in an SMT, which makes us bearish. This 15-minute fair value gap. From there, I scale into the 1 minute. From there, I'm waiting for structure. Right, structure shift, inverse fair value gap. And looks like this was his market structure shift, which was this. Okay. And then his TP1 was this low-hanging fruit right here. Okay, stop loss up at that high. Yeah, looks like your TP2 was down here as well. Like this, making it a 2.39 hour. Really clean, super good move. Now, one thing that concerns me here is this market structure shift. This isn't really a structure shift for me, just because it's not a swing low. If anything, that would be a market structure shift, right? So that's one thing that I'm taking note of, right? Because you did mark out market structure shift here, right? I prefer to use swing points rather than bodies, right? It's preference. You know, if you forward tested this enough and you saying okay this works, go for it. But in my eyes, this would be a market structure shift. Now, really good TP1 at this low hanging fruit, right? This is a pretty safe stop loss placement. It's a good safe stop loss placement. I'm happy with that. Yeah, everything else looked good. Proper draw, good bias. Yeah, good trade, AJ. I waited to close below that before I enter. So you waited for a reaction out of the inverse before you entered? If that's been working out for you, then yeah, great. But overall, really clean trade. Anybody else have a trade they would like me to go over?
Yeah, I took a trade on my balls to your face. Can you go over that?
You could hop on, yeah.
What?
Okay,
Wait,
bro. Okay,
whoa.
yo, chat. Yeah.
Whoa, yo,
Bro,
chat, clip that shit. Nah, nah,
Yo,
bro.
nah.
He
Hop
asked,
on is
can I hop? He asked, can I
crazy.
hop?
We
Yeah, you
got
guys
him.
are bugging, bro.
Yo,
You guys are bugging.
what the fuck is happening?
AJ, can you screen share? Or what did you want to say?
Yeah.
Okay, you can screen share.
Oh.
If not, I'll give you analyst real quick and you can screen share.
It works? Yeah.
Yeah, it works.
I wanted a sweep of these highs with this 15-minute perfect gap, with this one. I waited for, is this valid market structure shift?
For me, no. When it comes to market structure shifts, I use swing points.
And this counts as a CISD?
I don't use CISDs personally, but we did go over CISDs with Exotic
Show me your
way back
CISD.
in a YouTube video, but it is that first down close candle.
I wouldn't trust this. So I waited for a close below this low, and I entered on this fair value gap. I didn't. Oh, fuck. I didn't had an SNC with this trade. I had my TP on this swing low and these lows.
Yeah, nice.
Get
Yes,
me out of
super
here.
clean.
Can
All
I
right.
get banned?
Oh, you want to get banned now?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, yeah, if you want to get banned. Yeah, I'd say pretty solid recap of today. A lot of us caught bangers, really similar trades. I like to see that. But no, this will wrap it up here.